What's up, beautiful people? How are you doing? So I hope you guys are doing extremely fine. And yo, wow. So guys, today I just have come out for an outing. Okay, so I just want to come out just for relaxation. Okay, so it's been a long time I haven't come out. Okay, so I just thought of exploring today something in the evening time. So I just feeling boredom staying at home, so I just want to have relaxation. Okay, so yeah, enjoy this vlog. Okay, so let's go now. I feel very much amazing and by coming to this place, because this place is very pleasant, quiet, and nobody is there. Okay, so just you come here and take a deep breath and you feel very amazing. Okay, so that's how I come here and I enjoy here sometime. Okay, when I feel sad and also I just want to explore alone, sometimes it made my day. Okay, so yeah, so let's go. As you can see, the village here, it's amazing, it's looking amazing. So everyone is preparing for cultivation, and slowly it's drizzling. Okay guys, so but then also I'm just enjoying the fresh weather. It's pleasant and yeah, it's amazing. It's quite cloudy now, so but it looks amazing to see. And that side, as you can see, on the hillside. Okay, so it's now foggy time. Okay, so it is totally covered by cloud now because it's drizzling, as I have told you guys. So yeah, here the weather is beautiful, pleasant, and yeah, environment is quite nice because everyone is preparing for cultivation, right? So as you can see here, the paddy field, so people are just plowing, so they are making ready. And yeah, by looking at the paddy field, and those are the seeds have come up. Okay, I mean the sapling have grown now, so it's looking amazing now. Oh my god, it's drizzling a lot, man. Now I think I have to go. So yeah, as you can see, so this is the village area, so it's amazing only. Okay, so it looks like amazing to see the village area covered by the greenery things. And I could see in most of the villages there are some unique things. Okay, so that made my day actually. So yeah, feel like amazing. So let's run and see. Oh my god, feel like amazing. Quite nice, man, quite nice. Guys, that's it for today's vlog. And if you like this short and simple vlog, then please don't forget to like, share, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. And one day I will come here and I will vlog nicely. Okay, so now I couldn't vlog, okay, because it's drizzling a lot. Okay, so my phone is not water resistant and it's not waterproof, so I cannot vlog. And yeah, I have to move home now. Okay, so because of that only. So if you like, please share. Okay, so share to everyone. So as I have found a beautiful plum tree. Okay, so that's quite a bit nice. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Bye bye, see you in the next vlog.